One of our prayer summer partners, Mary, sent me an email yesterday. She said as she's been engaging in these 30 to 60 minute times of prayer that she's found herself asking more questions at times than being given answers. She's filled with a lot of questions as a result of doing these prayer times. Mary asked me, "Is that normal? Have you ever seen that before?" Well, the answer to that is yes. In fact, the more we do this, the more of a certain kind of question we'll have, and even the more questions we will have, because we're entering into a relationship that's no longer merely theoretical or mostly theoretical. To say that one has a relationship with God without actually having a prayer life is to engage more in theory than reality. Because this is about a relationship, and a love relationship at its very best, the more deeply we enter into a love relationship with anyone, we'll find that we'll have more questions, and those questions will be of a certain kind. For example, does this person really love me? Am I really intended for this person? Am I made to be in relationship with this person? When it comes to the God relationship, it's not unusual to have questions like, God, are you really there? Even in the Psalms, we see the psalmist asking similar kinds of questions. God, do you hear me now? Is your arm too short to reach out and help me? There are lots of questions that will arise as we enter more deeply into the love relationship with God, which in this case is best exemplified by praying. My own experience with myself and with others is this. The more we do this, the more we commit ourselves to this, the more we will find answers of a certain kind being given to us, and we'll be able to trust the relationship more. So I encourage you, Mary and others who are struggling with questions, to just discipline yourself to continue to do this. And my belief is that God will begin to answer those specific things, and your trust will be stronger than ever.